Hey, what's up everybody? Reginald Williams here, and you probably stumbled across this video looking for information about Facebook Gold Digger, wondering, how is this going to generate, more income for my business, and how is it going to help me become a better marketer on Facebook. Well, a lot of people are saying that Facebook is dying down, you really can't make any money off Facebook anymore like it used to. Well, in my opinion, that's a lie. So this is how Facebook Gold Digger is going to take your business to another level, as far as like marketing on Facebook. Well, as you can see here, it's going to teach you how you can use the Facebook ads and get cheaper clicks and create higher conversions, versus just it's going to actually show you how to extract buyers from different fan pages. It's going to determine, the most profitable fan pages to advertise on before you even think about spending any money. So basically, you can type in certain keywords and page names, right? And then you can extract the fans, load the posts, from different, you can load the posts from different keywords and fan pages, right? And then you could break it down to not only the posts but the comments. Now the comments are really what you're going to dig into, when it comes to this product. And it's going to analyze all of this stuff for you. People, you really need to pick up this product. And then it's only going for $27. $27, we spend that in a heartbeat. And then it's also a 30-day money back guarantee. So, and I'm telling you now, this is one of the best. This is going to be the new revolution of marketing on Facebook. So go ahead and get this product, and get back with me. And once you get this product, get with me, inbox me or give me a call. I will give you my bonus that I'm offering, for anybody who picks up this product for $27. So once you buy this product now, I'm telling you, you're gonna be, it's gonna be life changing for you as far as like your email. Not email marketing, but your marketing on Facebook. Period. So go ahead and click the link, and then go ahead and get this product. Inbox me once you pick up the product so you can get my brand new bonus, my $197 bonus, and I'll see you on the other side, people. Peace.